guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to get Apple Watch Series 7 watch face on your older Apple Watch. With the new Apple Watch Series 7, it has a new watch face and it is exclusive only on Apple Watch Series 7. And now you can see this is an Apple Watch Series 7 watch face and I can get it on my Apple Watch SE. And now let me show you how to have it on your Apple Watch. So I'm gonna show you from the basic, from the first step. So now first you're gonna go into Safari, and then you need to go into this link which I already provided in my comment section. Just scroll all the way down and click on that link, and then it will redirect you into here. So now click on installation, the green button, and now click on install the app. And now from here you need to click on the App Store. It will redirect you into the App Store, and then you will find this app. This is the app that you need to install on your iPhone. So when you install it, it also install on your Apple Watch, but for some reason if it does not install, you need to open the Watch app and scroll all the way down until you find a Jing Motion here. So if it stay at the bottom here, which means that it does not install on your Apple Watch, you need to click on the install button. And now let me go back. So it already installed on my Apple Watch. So now let me go back into the App Store and open the app real quick. And here is the app itself. So you have a face store, and with this one you need an account to make sure you're able to use the watch face. So go to personal, and now on personal you're gonna see something like this. I have a user ID. This is the account that I have already created. So you need to so now let me log out and show you how it works. So when you click on personal, for you, you're gonna see something like this. So if you haven't had an account, you need to click to sign up, create an account. You're gonna put your user ID name and email address, and as well as the password. And then last one, click on sign up. So after you sign up, you need to return to the login screen, and then you're gonna log in with an account that you have just created. So now let me log in real quick. And now after you log in, you're gonna go into the face store, and you're gonna search something like free in order to get Series 1 watch face. So after you search free and scroll down a bit, you're gonna find this one and click on it, and then click on this button, and then it will add into your into my faces. There we go. And then click on it. And now on the Apple Watch, you need to click on send to watch, and then it will be sent into your Apple Watch just like that. And now if I want to change into the other one, I can go ahead and do the same thing. And there we go. You can see my watch faces has been changed. So now let me send the Apple Watch Series 1 watch face. There we go. And then I can double tap on the screen and to make sure it show on the screen all the time. So now this button must be turned on. So turn on. This one should be turned on, and hell must be turned on as well. And for the return phase, you can set like about 5 seconds or 3 seconds, depend on whatever you like. So which means that if you close after 5 seconds, it will go back into the app to make sure that it will always appear on your wrist whenever you raise your watch. And that's it, and I hope you like this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.